Find the nth term of these sequences. So what we do is, you see these are all what you call arithmetic sequences. So what we do know is, in an arithmetic sequence, the nth term can be written as a plus n minus 1 times d, where a is the first term, n is the sequence, the nth term, and d is the common difference, and n is the nth term. So all we have to do here is write down the first term, that's a, and the common difference, the difference between the two terms. So that's what we will follow. So for part A, so first term is 15. So I'm going to write 15 plus n minus 1 times the difference. The difference between the terms is minus 3, because 12 minus 15 is minus 3. So times minus 3, and that equals 15 minus 3n plus 3, and that equals 12 minus 3n. Sorry, 18. It's 18 minus 3n. Sorry about that. So that's the nth term of the sequence. A is 18 minus 3n. So then if we do B, so here you see A is 10 and plus n minus 1 times the common difference. The difference is minus 4. So we got to do minus 4 multiplied with minus 4. That would give us 10 plus, or rather minus 4n and plus 4. So that would give us 14 minus 4n. Similarly for C, it would be first term is 5 plus n minus 1 times the difference. The difference is minus 4. So once again we write minus 4, and therefore that would be equal to 5 minus 4n plus 4, that is 9 minus 4n. Part D, here the first term is minus 2 plus n minus 1 times the difference, minus 5 minus minus 2, so it is actually minus 5 plus 2, so it is minus 3. That's the difference between the terms, so that would equal minus 2 minus 3n plus 3, and that would equal 3 minus 2 is 1 minus 3n, and that would be the nth term. For the part D is very similar. All we have to do is to find the difference between minus 1 out of 4 and minus half. So the first term as usual is half, not as usual, I mean you start with A, you write down the first term first, so that's half, and then plus n minus 1 times the common difference, so minus 1 out of 4 minus half, and that would be 4 minus 1 minus 2, so that would be minus 3 out of 4 is the common difference, so times minus 3 out of 4, and that would equal half minus 3 out of 4n and plus 3 out of 4, and that would equal half plus 3 out of 4 would give me 4, and 2 times 2 is 4, 2 plus 3, that's 5 out of 4, and minus 3 out of 4n, or this can be written as equal to, we can say 5. You don't need to write anything, I mean that on its own is the nth term, or if you wanted to convert it into decimal places. Decimals, we can write it as 4 times 1 is 4 and 1 5. So it is 1.25 minus 3 out of 4 is 0.75 n. So that is how we would work out these questions.